Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going into this delicious world of Nigerian jollof rice. Yes, well, it might interest you to know that jollof originates from Senegambian region. So jollof has evolved into this beloved delicacy across West Africa, with Nigeria being a prominent hub for its diverse renditions. So I can't wait more further. I'll be exploring the different types of jollof rice. So we have party rice, we have native jollof, and we have homemade jollof. And guess what? I'll be making up a batch of homemade jollof rice right here and right now. So let's break it down step by step. First, I have to wash the main ingredients. As you can see, I have my tomato, I have my bell pepper and habanero pepper. So all these three ingredients, I'm going to chop them up and blend them together. And the quantity of rice or jollof you want to make will determine the quantity of condiment you will use. The most important thing is using the amount that will fit your rice so that your rice can be delicious. And over here I'm blending my tomato. When it's done, I'm going to pour it inside my pot where I will have to dry cook them on my burner. Next step is blending my garlic, ginger, celery and onions. So I will have to blend all these together because I'll be using some of them to marinate my chicken that I'll be using for the jollof rice, and the rest of them for my tomato mix. As you can see, I'm cutting my onions and I'm going to add it into my blender. So I just added spices. I added the chicken bouillon, my seasoning, and also my iodized salt. I like to blend all these together, though some people can add them directly into their meal. So over here is my chicken. You can use any meat of your choice. Sincerely, I just wanted to use chicken for today, though I'm not a fan of it. So here I'm going to cut it into bits, small pieces. They are just big. After this, I'll put them inside my pot. Then add the blended onions. Remember, I have onions, some spices in the blender, so I'll have to transfer it, pour it on my meat. So here we go all over again. After pouring it on the meat, we have to start stirring the meat. Just make sure that you stir very well so that the condiment can blend in the meat, and please do not add water. So we have to start boiling on the stove. Here we go. I pour my vegetable oil in my pot in preparation for tomato. So as I pour the oil, I have to regulate my burner. So you know the drill. We have to add the condiment first in our oil, just like we discussed in our previous video. So I'm adding my iodized salt first. Therein goes my curry. After the curry, I'm adding the jollof spices goes in. Then my rosemary follows. So remember what we discussed. It's very important you follow these steps. Of course, you have to follow the steps because of this help in the taste of your food, meal, either stew, soup, or jollof rice. So here is my onions. So after these onions, I'm going to put in the tomato. Remember, I just dried my tomato, so it doesn't have that water. Just add it in and start frying it. So this is a very important step in jollof rice. So you have to be careful. Don't let the tomato burn. Yes, you have to be very careful. Do not let it burn. So I'll have to keep on frying it. Once it's done, as you can see, my chicken on the right side is boiling and getting ready. The chicken, on the other hand, is also boiling and getting soft. So while waiting for all these things to be right, I will have to get my rice ready. As you can see, I'm using a long grain parboiled rice. So I have to partially cook it. Make sure at this stage, do not overcook your rice. Set it ready for the jollof. Now back to my stove. My sauce is still frying and my chicken is ready. Don't forget, we don't have to add any water to the chicken. So this chicken released its own juice, which we are using for this jollof rice. And once the tomato sauce is ready, I will strain the chicken sauce and mix it in the tomato. Which is the next step I will take over here. The next step is I will have to shallow fry my chicken until golden brown. I like shallow frying because I don't like that chicken much, so I prefer doing it this way. Yes, do the one that suits you, that you prefer. And back to my rice. My tomato sauce is ready. I pour the sauce over the rice and I stir. So make sure to adjust your heat so your jollof doesn't burn. Oh, and before you cover your pot, you add a few bay leaves for that authentic Nigerian aroma and flavor. Then your diet meal is ready. So give it a try. And hey, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. But wait, we've got a surprise for you. Send us a video of you making jollof, whether it's Ghana jollof, Mali, or any of African country jollof, and you could win big. Stay healthy and thanks for watching. Enjoy.